Busy days? No problem. With Grow Go, your plants stay happy and hydrated even when you're not around. Today, I'm at this lovely garden centre with someone who knows a lot about smart plant care, Michael Perry, Mr. Plant Geek. So these are the pots and hanging baskets from Grow Go. Can you tell me a bit about them?
Oh, absolutely. So this is what consumers have been waiting for, a really, really easy way to care for patio pots, hanging baskets. If you're a first timer, if you're a busy person as well, if you're someone that hasn't got the ability to keep reaching up and watering a hanging basket, for example, you've got these integrated systems where you have a watering reservoir. So you actually water as normal, and then the excess water is collected at the base below this netted system, and any overflow then tumbles out of the bottom. So it means you can never overwater your plants, but there is always about 1.5 liters of water there waiting for the roots to reach down and draw in, which is going to help you to have longer lasting, good looking baskets and patio pots all through the season.
What about sustainability?
So these are made from 95% recycled materials, available in 100 different colors as well. So great for different stylish outdoor spaces.
Oh, sounds great. And you can style them.
Yeah.
In so many different ways.
Oh, absolutely, because you have got that different range of colours. You can really have your patio exactly how you want it. And I think people are starting to use their patios as an extra room outdoors as well. So this really, really plays into that. And of course, you've got the patio pots in those different colours. You've also got the colour coding of the hanging basket and the hanger, all integrated too.
So it sounds like it's a good solution for people who are really busy. Is that true?
Oh, absolutely. So this is suitable for every level of person, whether you're a busy executive, going away on business trips. This is going to keep your baskets or pots watered for a few days at the very least. Depending on the type of plant or the type of conditions, it could be longer as well, which is fantastic. This is a really great innovation.
Sounds very exciting. Thank
Definitely.
you.
You need some of these at home.
I do.
Yes.